How to use WhatsApp on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily use your WhatsApp application on your PC. So if you haven't downloaded and installed your WhatsApp application for your PC, then simply head over to this official WhatsApp application, or you can also download it from the official Microsoft Store which is on your PC. So once you download it, you will be redirected to this page on your WhatsApp application. I'm showing you from the browser, and let me just show you the steps from your mobile. So once you're inside your mobile device, if it's Android or iPhone, it's the same thing. So make sure you have successfully logged in with your account on your WhatsApp application. And once you're inside here, simply head over to your settings, and inside settings you will see the QR scanning option, that is QR code on your, which is being shown on your PC, and simply click on continue. And from over here, you can, what you can do is simply click on link device like this, and it will ask you to verify your face ID just like that. And once you verify it, it will ask you to re-log in your account like this by verifying it. And after some time, as you can see, it will automatically sync your data to from your iPhone device to your PC just like this. So this is exactly how you can use your WhatsApp on your PC, either on your web version or your application version. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.